In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the presentation settings in Google Forms. These settings help you control how your form appears and behaves for respondents, making it more engaging and user-friendly. To get started, open your Google Form. This means going to Google Forms and selecting the form you want to edit so you can access the main editor interface. Once you're inside the form, look at the top menu and click on Settings. You'll find this tab right next to Questions and Responses. This is where you manage how your form functions and appears to users. After opening the Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Presentation section. This is where you can customize how your form is displayed during and after submission. Under the Form Presentation options, you'll see settings like Show Progress Bar and Shuffle Question Order. You can turn these on or off depending on your preference. Enabling the progress bar helps respondents see how far along they are, while shuffling questions can make your form feel more dynamic. Next, move to the After Submission section. Here, you'll find the confirmation message field. Click inside this field and edit the message to whatever you'd like your respondents to see after they submit the form. This is a great place to add a thank you note or provide next steps. Once you've made your changes, your presentation settings will automatically be saved. You can now exit the Settings panel and continue editing or sharing your form as needed.